Hello class 1, let me continue chapter 6, computer keyboard. This is part 3rd video. In part 2, you have learned about alphabet keys and number keys. Today you will learn about some more keys. First, space bar key. Space bar key is the longest key on the keyboard. Let me show you in keyboard. This is the space bar key and it is the longest key on the keyboard. It is the longest key on the keyboard. Longest. And there is only one space bar key. How many space bar key are there on a keyboard? One. And it is used to give space between two letters, words or numbers. What is the use of space bar key? Space bar key is used to give space between two letters, words or numbers. Let me show you with example. Example, computer is a machine. Can you see how many times space bar key is used to type this sentence? After computer there is a space, after is also there is a space, after a also there is a space, after machine, full stop. Can you see how many times space bar key is used to type this sentence? 1, 2, 3. 3 times space bar key is used to type this sentence. Space bar key is used to give space between two letters, words or numbers. Now, next key is enter key. Enter key. There are two enter key on the keyboard. Let me show you. This is an enter key. This is the enter key and other is here. There are two enter key on the keyboard. And this key is used to move to the next line. What is the use of enter key? Enter key is used to move to the next line. Once again, what is the use of enter key? Enter key is used to move to the next line. Let me show you the example. Like computer is a machine. After that, if you want to come to the next line, what you will tap? Enter. When you tap or press enter, you will come to the next line and you can tap here. So enter key is used to move to the next line. From this line I came here by pressing the enter key. And this is the symbol of enter key. This is the symbol of enter key. Once revision. Space bar key. It is the longest key on the keyboard. There is one space bar key and it is used to give space between two letters, words or number. Now, enter key. There are two enter key and it is used to move to the next line. Now, let us see about caps lock key. Caps lock key is used to type in capital letter. When we press the caps lock key, it turns on and green light appears on the keyboard. When the caps lock key is on, we can type in capital letter. To turn off the caps lock key, press it again. Let me show you in keyboard. This is a caps lock key. When you press caps lock key, a green light will appear. When caps lock key is on, green light will appear here. And you can type in capital letter. To off the caps lock key, again press the caps lock key, green light will disappear and you can type in a small letter. Now let us see arrow key. Arrow keys are used to move up, down, left and right. There are 4 arrow keys on the keyboard. Arrow key are also used to play games on the computer. Let me show you arrow arrow key in the keyboard. This is the arrow key. It is used to move up, down, left and right. It is used to move the cursor up, down, left and right. Now let us see shift key. There are two shift key on the keyboard. One key is here and other key is here. There are two shift key on the keyboard. And have you noticed in some keys on the keyboard there are two characters or symbols? Let me show you. See here, 2 @ In one key there are two characters or symbols. 3 H, 4 rupee sign and dollar sign, 5 percentage sign. Can you see? There are two signs or characters. When you press this key along with shift key, the upper part is tabbed. When you press these keys along with shift key, the upper part of the keys will be tabbed. For example, if you press shift key along with 2, at the rate will be tabbed. Once again, if you press shift, if you tap 4, rupee sign or dollar sign will be tapped or it will come on the screen. If you press shift, if you tap 5, percentage sign will come on the screen. So, shift key is used to tap the upper part of the keys. Now, next use of shift key. When you press shift key along with alphabet key, the alphabet keys change their case. Means when you press shift key along with alphabet key, it will change their case. If it is in capital, it will change into small. If it is in small, it will change into capital. So there are two shift key on the keyboard and it is used first. It is used to tap the upper part of the letter or upper part of the keys, and it is used to change the case of alphabet. If it is in capital, it will change into small. If it is in small, it will change into capital. Thank you. Hope you have understood.